how to buy Memereum token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, do your own research. Now this is their X account, as you can see. Now to buy this token, just go to their official website. Now click on buy now. Now after that, as you can see, I link or connect my MetaMask to this website. Now after that, enter how much of USDT you want to buy. This is how much you will receive. And after that, click on buy and stake. So because I did it much time, now to clarify this. So after you click on buy button, you will need to approve the transaction twice. Number one, first approval is for the USDT contract. The second approval is for the transaction amount. Now complete both approval steps to successfully finalize your transaction. Now in another way to be able to buy this token is by clicking on buy with other crypto. Now here, as you can see, select the crypto that you want to buy with. Now for me, I will select USDT. Now here, I enter how much you want to buy. Like this, I will buy 100. Now click on create payment. So as you can see, this is the order ID, and this is how this is the wallet address that we will send the USDT to, and this is how much we will pay, and this is how much we will receive. So as you can see, this is how to buy the Memereum token. So what is the Memereum token, if you can say? So Memereum is a reversionary project that is typed to become a leading force in the bustling DeFi market with a lofty ambition to change the existing narrative in decentralized finance. So Memereum presents itself as the pioneering blockchain insurance platform. So this is how to buy Memereum token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.